Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Canada Nickel, Fiore Gold, Discovery Silver and Mawson Gold. Canada Nickel has filed a PEA for its 100% owned Crawford nickel sulphide project in Timmins in Canada. This is another milestone for Canada Nickel, and the company is advancing the project to a feasibility study to be completed by mid-2022. The PEA showed a 25-year mine plan based on staged open pit mining at 120,000 tons per day and a processing plant with conventional nickel sulphide concentrator producing nickel concentrates and magnetite concentrate. Over the 25-year mine life, Crawford is expected to produce 842,000 tons of nickel, 21 million tons iron and 1.5 million tons chromium, valued at $24 billion based on long-term price assumptions. Annual average nickel production is expected to be 75 million pounds or 34,000 tons, with peak average annual production of 93 million pounds or 42,000 tons, with significant iron and chrome byproducts of 860,000 tons and 59,000 tons per annum respectively. The NPV after tax at 8% discount is $1.2 billion and 16% IRR, which is very good for such a giant project. Net C1 cash cost is $1.09 per pound and net AIC is $1.94 per pound on a byproduct basis. Also interesting from an ESG perspective is the minimization of the carbon footprint through the use of autonomous trolley trucks and electric shovel loaders, which reduces diesel consumption by 40%. There is also optimization of the carbon sequestration potential of tailings and waste rock. Canada Nickel is also expanding the new Nesbitt nickel discovery by 1.8 kilometers. A third hole drilled 1.8 kilometers east of the first discovery holes intersected 302 meters of nickel mineralization with intercepts of visible disseminated sulphide and returned consistent results with the first two Nesbitt holes and the higher grade zone at Crawford. Canada Nickel is doing everything right, and we see the stock significantly higher in the 6 to 8 Canadian dollar range at the latest after the feasibility study. Fiore Gold again announced very good gold production figures for their third fiscal quarter. They were able to produce 11,756 ounces, which is an increase of 8% compared to Q2 2021. Gold sales reached 11,741 ounces at an average realized price of $1,815 per ounce. First ore was placed on the new leach pad in June 2021 and irrigation commenced in early July, which is expected to further improve gold production in the fourth quarter of the financial year. During the quarter, drill results were reported from Gold Rock showing very good values with over 24 meters at 2.85 grams gold per ton and over 40 meters at 0.7 grams gold per ton. Fiore was also able to acquire the past producing Idipar project, adding further exploration acreage in Nevada. Cash as at 30th June 2021 was a very solid $18.5 million, and this was despite continued capital investment in the expansion of the Pan heap leach field to extend the life of mine and ongoing drilling and feasibility studies to further develop gold rock. Fiore Gold is significantly undervalued, and we see also a potential of 150% upside for the stock over the next 12 months. Discovery Silver announced results from 13 diamond drill holes drilled along the high-grade Josefina vein trend at its Cordero project in Chihuahua State in Mexico. The drilling is part of the recently completed Phase 1 drilling program. The results of this program will feed into a new resource estimate in Q3 this year and a PEA in Q4 also this year. Phase 2 drilling is underway and is focused on defining and expanding the resource. These latest drill results from Josefina have delivered some of the highest grade hits to date. With their Phase 1 drilling now complete, what started as loosely defined veins with a strike extent of less than 1 kilometer has been transformed into a prominent corridor with two well-defined veins with a total strike extent of more than 2.5 kilometers. Drilling revealed higher-grade barrel-shaped mineralization adjacent to the Josefina veins, indicating that the majority of the vein trend is likely to fall within the open pit. These results exceeded expectations. Top results were obtained with, for example, 1.1 meter averaging almost 4,000 grams silver equivalent per ton, consisting of 1,570 grams silver, 16.25 grams gold, 7% lead and 19% zinc. Further holes showed between 1,370 and 3,420 grams of silver equivalent with 1.3 to 4 meter widths. Discovery Silver represents for us a core investment in the silver developer sector with enormous upside potential. Mawson Gold announced new drill results from 4 holes drilled in the Raya prospect area as part of the 76-hole 2020-21 drill program at the company's 100% owned Fiore Gold Cobalt project in Finland. A top result was 20.7 meters with 7.4 grams gold, 111 ppm cobalt, which yielded 7.5 grams gold equivalent. Another hole intersected 15.7 meters at 3.8 grams gold, 783 ppm cobalt for 4.5 grams gold equivalent per ton. All holes were drilled on a shallow 90-meter wide cross-section in the Raya prospect area and aimed to test an undrilled shallow area. A total of 43 drill holes, totaling 11,130 meters from 5 separate prospect areas, have yet to be reported, with a resource update planned in August 2021 that is sure to further boost the stock. The discovery of such high grades over wide widths and at such shallow depths is a testament both to the untapped potential of this expanding cam-sized discovery in Finland and to further geological understanding. These results have more than doubled the grade and thickness of the shallow parts of the Raya prospect area. Please note the following disclaimer, which is now superimposed. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria.